Hey y'all, so adults only Sunscape Club.
Sunrise, my bright and my upright. No one can broke my vibes.
Welcome home.
Thank you. Alright, y'all. So, guys, oh my god. Oh. Aha. I'm excited, y'all. So, oh, of course. So, y'all.
Do you like it, your room?
I love it. Oh, and I have like a little sunbed as well.
Yeah, this kid. All do you need? You have a phone over there. Just go sit and they drink whatever you want. Remember, you are VIP. You have a room service included 24 hours. The mini bar is over there. It's included and they will talk everything.
Yes.
And you know how to use the safe?
Yeah. Okay. Oh my God. So we did extra and oh my gosh, guys. I love this. So we do have a mini
The best
bar.
one in the world.
Ah. Oh my gosh. And we do have a that's how so the tonics is right there. Not really. No.
All do you need? My name is John Tracy. I will be at the lobby.
You. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. We will see you around.
Okay, for sure. Oh my gosh. Y'all. Do you like it? Okay. I tried. So, we're gonna do a room tour, y'all. When you enter the front door, there is like a little closet right there. And you have like an extra bed. There's a safe. There is the Bible for who need Jesus. Okay. And there is the minibar. And you do have beer, water, and drink. Y'all. No. And then when you walk in the room, so right here, so you can see like the safe right there. Not safe, what the hell? Hey y'all. So, yeah. So you have a little mirror right here and the face basin right here. We do have a tub. Aha! Just in case you wanna, spice up your love life. Right there, and then behind here, we do have a shower, a standing shower, and it does have the rain shower head and yeah, and a hole in the wall. This is nice, y'all. And then you do for privacy purposes, we have the little toilet right here, toilet papers, and so yes. So guys, I actually did the extra and did the Sunscape VIP because it's my husband's birthday. I did request a king bed. Of course, like I said, it's me and my husband, or my husband and I. So we did that. They do have something going on TV. So the TV's right there. It's a little nice little wall, backdrop. Wall lights there. AC. Y'all, this is nice. Our bags, of course, because we travel with a lot of stuff. We do have a little center table right here, and a little. I think this could be like if we had a third person, then this would be a bed as well. So you don't need password for the Wi-Fi. Because the Wi-Fi is free. Also, right there, and yes, and we do have a little table. On the table, sorry, we have arrived. So we do have cups, coffee machine, ice bucket, and some glass. And yeah, so I thought we had a sea view, but we don't. However, we do have a view, and we have a balcony, and I guess, oh, we do have a pool view though, and this is the private view. So we do have a pool view. If we were on the ground floor, we would be there. Yeah, so we do have a pool view somewhat, and yeah, that's what's happening. I'm loving this. The next door is another apartment, but this is nice, y'all. I'm actually excited to be here, and yeah, and the birthday boy is just right there. Let me break it off. This thing right here.
Yeah, take your time with it. Slide free.
Yeah, so and then y'all could just see the view from here. So the tub right there. There. The bed and shower. It's like an open concept. And y'all is supposed to be a VIP room. Okay. So y'all house room service just came. And of course I told him that my husband is, you know, a Rasta, and we love fruits.
Rasta without pasta.
And you got, Jay, you in the wrong country, bro. So, all right, so let's try that. Let's try this again. They come back with another glass. And yeah, so we got a wine. And yeah, red wine and fruits for the birthday boy. You know, it's for his birthday's today. It ain't today though. Okay, it's tomorrow. So yeah, I suck at getting my surprises on camera.
Circle. Next time.
Jeez,
So you lose out on that. 2? No?
3.
That's 3.
Jeez,
Yeah.
even when I got to the
From
hotel, I should have had
airport,
my phone had died.
Now the room. Yeah. Let till tomorrow, baby.
Bruh, that's crazy. Alright, so, you know.